Hello, this video is on removing an oil pump sprocket once the belt is already off, once the timing belt is already off. In my case, the timing belt broke, so wasn't able to unloosen that nut. Wasn't able to unloosen the nut with the belt on there, which is really what you want to try to do if you want to change the seal behind there, which is what I'm trying to do. So I have to get that sprocket off. So yeah, my belt broke, and don't really have a tool to put in there. Now I do have a camshaft tool. It's too big though. The little prongs that go in the camshaft for that tool are way too big for those holes right there. And I can't find one locally. I may have to buy one, but the good news is I was able to get that nut loosened by using another timing belt from a 97. So if you don't have a timing belt to work with, a new timing belt or a good timing belt to work with to do this, it really may be worth, sorry my camera died, so yeah, it may be worth your while just to buy an extra timing belt for the purpose of just removing that sprocket. Probably wouldn't want to use it again after that because it's probably going to be stressed out. The other alternative would be, if you can't get it off, just go ahead and replace the oil pump itself. It'll have the sprocket already on and the seal inside it, which was probably what I was going to have to do. I really didn't want to do that. So let me show you how I was able to use this old belt. And this is from, like I said, it's from a 90, I didn't say it earlier, but it's a 97 Camry belt. And we're working on a Tercel here. So let me show you how I was able to finally get that nut off. So I took the other end of the belt and started it out on the oil pump sprocket like you see there. Brought it down. Let's go underneath. Yeah, here we are below. So brought both ends over the crankshaft sprocket there. That wasn't engaged, just put it over, and then brought both of them under the tensioner pulley like you see there. Okay, now let's go back up. Okay, so then I went, now this is over the water pump pulley. Water pump pulley is right there, so it's on the other side. So as I went over, as I went under and then back over the tensioner pulley, made sure that I got on the other side of the water pump pulley, brought it over where this mount right here, where I've taken off the motor mount. Okay, brought it the bottom under the idler pulley, and then just put it over here, which is where the power steering goes into. See, kind of like that right there. Not very ideal, and it started to slip a little bit. But really, you know, I didn't have another place to put it really. Couldn't do it from underneath any place really. So that's what I did to get it off. Oh yeah, critical. You have to take a vice grip and clamp it right down there past where you've got the belt going over the oil pump sprocket there. so that the teeth don't slip, otherwise they will slip. Anyway, that's how I got it off. I'm sure there's maybe some other configurations to use the belt, but I've been trying to figure it out for a couple hours. So anyway, hope it's been helpful. Good luck if you get it off, or if you try to get it off. Hope you do. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.